Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on OldManMigz channel. Everything from close calls to raid rage can be seen on this channel. Let's not waste any more time and get these clips going. Enjoy! Cutting off is not the only bad thing this Jeep driver did to the camera. A bit further up the road, the camera got even brake checked a couple of times. Driver blocked the entire road to make a turn. I'm sure that he let his driving instructor down with this move.
In the middle of the road. It's gonna take forever to do it.
Yeah, there's like a...
Maybe.
That's what it's called Lester as well.
Driver in front of the camera has really poor lane discipline. But blocking two lanes, that's a crazy move.
Whatever I sent you last night, don't worry about it, is what I sent you today. Okay? Make sure that that's really good. I only send you one.
You piece of shit. Why is he flipping you off? He's the one that cut you off. Bro, like for real?
It nearly came to a nasty crash, and all because of one driver's impatience. He ran a red light and that nearly caused a total chaos on the road.
That guy just about fucking smacked him.
Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto.
Presto on this one.
Camera caught an accident on the road, and it all happened because one driver did not pay attention at the traffic lights.
That may or may not,
Oh, shit.
exist. Yeah, so it's a one of these things you can see on Netflix a lot of times for like half of it or a third of it.
Do the podcast before and I didn't then later on say months later that has been on a now 15-year mission to take down the crime ring run by his ex-wife that he thinks that may or may not,
Oh, shit.
Exist. Yeah, so it's a one of these things you can see on Netflix a lot of times for like half of it or
Another episode comes to an end on Caught on DashCam channel. I hope that you managed to learn at least something out of all mistakes shown in today's episode. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you support my work. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.